Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into AWS Management Console, manage cloud services step by step clearly. To log into AWS Management Console, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.aws.amazon.com and press enter. Once the AWS homepage loads, locate and click on the Sign In to the Console button in the upper right corner. You will be directed to the sign-in page where you have two options, root user or IAM user. If you are using a root user account, enter your email address associated with your AWS account in the designated field. Then, click on the Next button to proceed. If you are an IAM user, select that option. Input your IAM username in the provided field and click Next. Now, enter your password in the password field. For added security, you may need to go through multi-factor authentication if it's enabled. Follow the prompts to enter the authentication code sent to your device. Once all information is entered correctly, click the Sign In button. After a few moments, you will be taken to the AWS Management Console. Here, you can start managing your cloud services and resources. Make sure to explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the available services. If you need to switch accounts or users, you can do so by selecting the account. This way, you can easily navigate and manage multiple AWS accounts if necessary. Always remember to log out once your session is completed for security purposes. You can do this by clicking on your account name and selecting Sign Out from the drop-down menu. With these steps, you are now equipped to log into the AWS Management Console effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.